Let's learn how to create a range plotter question. Range plotter allows students to represent math concepts on the number line. You can test your students' plotting skills and their ability to solve inequalities. Start by entering your question with the text editor. Edit the axis start and end values, as well as the major and minor ticks to correspond with your question. Choose the appropriate line style, for example, finite or infinite, in both open and closed forms in order to map the correct answer. You also have the option of adding annotations to the number line by using math expressions, equations, text, or images. To finish creating your item, click Save. Next, move to Preview mode to view the question from the student's perspective. Make sure that the question looks and works as intended. Under Metadata, you can apply the correct standards for this item. Once you are finished, click Publish. Your item is now ready for assessment use.